Let us now discuss about the concept which has its wide application in every field of this our day to day, like probability. What is it? Whenever we see what is the chance that it will rain tomorrow, what is the chance that you will clear your exam, what is the probability about having a particular event in a particular time bracket, time period. Whenever when we talk about such events, whenever we talk about things like where the uncertainty exists, there comes the concept of probability. So let us talk first about what it is role and where it is used. As we know, the managers, because being a student of the MBA, when you come in the role of a manager, you need to cope with uncertainty in many decision making situations. For example, you as a manager can be asked to give the sales prediction, they would ask the approximate sales that of the company's product for the next month, next year, next week, whatever, which is not possible to give it in exact value. You can estimate roughly what can be the sales in the next week, next month, next year based upon the certain parameters, certain factors, the past trend, keeping the demand in the mind, keeping all the factors, considering all the factors under study. बहुत सारी चीजों को ध्यान रखते हुए हम एस्टिमेट दे सकते हैं कि हमारे प्रोडक्ट की सेल्स अगले सप्ताह, अगले मंथ, अगले साल जो भी आप स्टडी में ले रहे हो उसमें क्या हो सकती है. When I say हो सकती है, that means there exists uncertainty. So concept of probability, it will help you to measure this uncertainty and it will help you and it will perform the related analysis. What about the history of probability if I talk about from where it came, how the concept appeared? A gambler dispute in 1654, it led to the creation of the mathematical theory of probability by the two famous French mathematicians Blaise Pascal and Pierre de Fermat. Antoine Gombert, who's been named as Chevalier de Marais, a French nobleman with an interest in gaming and gambling questions, they called Pascal's attention to an apparent contradiction concerning a popular dice game. There was an Italian mathematician, Germon Cardin, who was the first to write a book with the name Games of Chance, book on games of chance, which was published in 1663. That and further, the notable contribution were there which were made by the mathematician like J. Bernoulli, B. Laplace, and Markovitch. What does this game of chance means? Game of the book which was written, it was which talked about this concept of probability. The game of chance means when you roll a dice, when you extract a card from a pack of card. So what are these? These are different games of chances. When you roll a dice, what is the game of chance? Whether you get head or whether you get 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, 6. When you toss a coin, you get head or tail, like that. In 20th century, there was a book which was named with as Foundation of the Probability, was published by a Russian mathematician named Kolmogorov in 1933. And this was the first book which talked about probability as a set function. So how I define the probability now? If the definition is concerned, as the Oxford Dictionary states, the probability means the extent to which something is probable. What is probability? It is the extent to which something is probable, the likelihood of something to happen, a particular happening of particular event. In mathematics also, it indicates the same, the likelihood of the occurrence of an event. जहां पे भी लाइक्लीहुड आता है, जहां भी चांसेस आ जाते हैं किसी भी पर्टिकुलर इवेंट के अकर होने के, वहां पे प्रोबेबिलिटी का रोल इंट्रोड्यूस हो. सो इट इज अ मेजर ऑफ लाइक्लीहुड ऑफ एन इवेंट टू अकर. मेनी इवेंट्स कैन बी प्रिडिक्टेड विद टोटल सर्टेनिटी. कई चीजें हैं जो हम, कुछ इवेंट्स को हम बहुत सर्टेनिटी के साथ बता सकते हैं कि ये होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हम आपको टाइम दे दें और डिस्टेंस दे दें तो हम साइंस में जो फिजिक्स में फॉर्मूला पढ़ते हैं तो आप स्पीड निकाल सकते हैं. वेरी इजी. यू नो, इफ आई गिव यू द डिस्टेंस कवर, सी, डिस्टेंस गिवन, टाइम आई हैव गिवन यू, with very certainty you can find velocity. ये हम कह सकते हैं कि इसमें कोई चांस, इसमें कोई लाइक्लीहुड, इसमें कोई अनसर्टेनिटी नहीं एग्जिस्ट करती. तो कुछ इवेंट्स ऐसे होते हैं जिसमें दे आर विथ, वी कैन कैलकुलेट, वी कैन प्रिडिक्ट विथ टोटल सर्टेनिटी. बट देयर आर मेनी इवेंट्स विच वी कैन नॉट give the answer in numerical value with 100% with the total certainty. For example, if I ask you what, if you toss a coin, what is the chance that you get a head? You can very well give that 50% because it is 50% head and tail. So you can say 50% chances, but with 100% certainty, I cannot give you the exact numerical value. तो जो इवेंट्स की पॉसिबिलिटी हम 100% श्योर कर सकते हैं कि हाँ ये होगा, तो हम कहते हैं कि कंप्लीटली 100% सर्टेन. एंड व्हेन वी से 100% सर्टेन मींस द प्रोबेबिलिटी इज 1. एंड देयर आर इवेंट्स व्हेन वी, वेयर वी कैन से कि ये तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. आप एमबीए के एग्जाम में बैठोगे एंड समवन आस्क यू व्हाट आर द चांस दैट यू गेट अ डिग्री ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग, जीरो. Zero. You have appeared an exam of one course, you cannot get a degree of another course, completely zero. So बिल्कुल नहीं है कुछ होने के चांस तो जीरो, और 100% सर्टेनिटी के साथ है तो 1. सो 0 1, 0 मीन्स नॉट पॉसिबल, नो चांस ऑफ अकरेंस ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर इवेंट. एक डाइस थ्रो करेंगे, तो जब हम डाइस थ्रो करते हैं तो हमें पॉसिबल पता है कि या तो 1 आएगा, तो या हम पॉसिबल है कि इसमें 2 आएगा ऊपर जब हम थ्रो करेंगे. एंड देन द फेस व्हिच इज अपवर्ड, 1 2, इट कैन बी 3, इट कैन बी 4, इट कैन बी 5 एंड इट कैन बी 6. यही आउटपुट है. डाइस को थ्रो करते हैं तो ये आउटपुट है हमारे 1 2 3 4 5 6. इनमें से ही कोई एक फेस अपवर्ड आएगा. If I ask you what is the probability to get 7 when you throw a die, you would say 7 तो possible नहीं है, तो yes, 0 in that case. And when I say what is the probability that you get a when you throw a dice, you can get 1 2 3 4 5 6, इसमें से कुछ एक आएगा, 100% आएगा भाई, इनमें से ही एक आना है. So I would say that we can estimate, we can predict कि कितना chances है 0 से 1 के बीच में ही हमारी probability lie करती है. So as we talked, some events occur with 100% probability and some events does not occur at all. So its probability becomes 0. तो 0 से 1 के बीच में पूरी probability lie करती है. As per the definition, as I talked, it is the extent to which something is probable, the likelihood of something happening or being the case. So what is the importance? क्यों पढ़ रहे हैं हम? Where this concept is applied. So it is used in making economic decisions, wherever there lie, wherever there exist risk and uncertainty. It is used in theory of games. It is used in the sampling concept. Sampling theory जो हम पढ़ेंगे chapter, वो completely based है probability theory. It is applied in everyday life wherever the risk is there. Insurance industry, your business, all the decisions relating to the price, demand. In science, the government even applied this probabilistic methods in the environmental regulation, in this financial regulation, etc. So no field is untouched, whether it is medicine, it is weather forecasting, it's election results, it's your business, industry, everything, wherever you do some estimation, you do some prediction, this concept is utilized. So the importance is great. The reason that we study and we go in the depth of this particular concept. What are the certain terms, terminologies which are used in probability? इस चैप्टर को पढ़ने से पहले कुछ टर्म्स जो बहुत फ्रिक्वेंटली यूज्ड होंगे हम उस पे बात करते हैं.